Okay, so here you can see the home page of the classroom website I created. It just has a little introduction, a revision date. If you click on this little link right here, it'll actually take you directly to my email address, and then it has my tech blog link, which shows all of the different blogs we wrote throughout the semester about different elements of technology in the classroom. And then it also has all these other little sub pages that show all the different projects done in the class throughout the semester. Under the About Me page, you can see a lot about little fun facts about myself, my major, why I decided to go into teaching, what inspired me, and some reasons I'm excited to teach in a couple of years. Under the Resources tab, on the first page, there is this link. Here it is. Links to just useful educational websites. So Google Earth is a great geography tool. BrainPop has great games and videos for younger children. Lots of different online resources that would be great for kids to use at home and in the classroom. And then if you click for the sub-tabs under the Resource tab, you get the Web 2.0 resources, which is just another type of resource. And here I decided to post a resource someone wrote for English language learners. Specifically, it has all sorts of online databases that English language learning students can use to make their life a little easier in the English speaking classroom. Next, under the My Choice tab, I tried to link a lot of different resources that I thought would be great for kids. Some are fun, some are educational, so all are kid appropriate. So we have the Disney Park YouTube blog, which is sort of a great way for students to watch nonfiction videos, but it still be a little applicable to themselves. Soul Pancake is another great YouTube channel. How to Draw Pages, Cosmic Kids Yoga are both great ways to relax children. So these are less educational and more fun, but still really great for kids and appropriate. You can see all sorts of resources under the Technology Projects page. And on this first page, you can see a couple of PowerPoints created with non-copyrighted photos. So this is on the Changing Earth, and it's a second grade PowerPoint. And to see the PowerPoint, you just click through like this. You can just click the next button and see all kinds of photos about that, none of which are copyrighted. And then there's another one on LSU landmarks. One thing we learned is that one of the best ways to not have copyrighted photos is to take them yourself. So that's what these are. Also under Technology Projects, there is the digital story, and I did my digital story over the Little Rock 9, which were the first students to federally integrate the high school, so you can watch that to learn a little something. You can see a review over the mobile app Book Creator, and this is just a resource for students to create books while they're in class. It's just a great way to apply technology to learning that might be kind of fun. Under this PLN PLE tab, you can learn about what a personal learning network and personal learning environment is. And there are also links to the blog posts, to Digo accounts, and a Twitter account review here, and just some examples of what each thing is. It's a great resource. Here's just another page of the site that has links to videos that kids might be interested in or that could be used in the class. There's really something for every subject on here, and there's also some relaxing music. If you're interested in looking at website evaluations, you can look here. I just sort of evaluated a biology in motion website. And here you can see the Apple Teacher certification that I received for the iPad this semester. Thank you.